Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be guiding you on how can you disable calls on Snapchat, right? So to begin with, open the Snapchat app onto your device. Make sure that the app is completely up to date. Now that the app has been opened, you could go to the chat section. This is where you will be taken. Now, you could go ahead and look for the person that you actually want to disable call or don't want to receive call from. You could long press onto their profile. You could find these pop-up menu and you could go ahead and look for chats and notifications. As you could see, there is no such options as to disable call on Snapchat. So officially, Snapchat does not have this option. So what you want to do is simply follow the steps number 2. Exit out, open up settings on your device. So once you're in the settings section, scroll down a bit. You will then find apps. Simply tap onto it. You could find all the apps in your devices. Simply scroll down and go to the section of S so that you could locate Snapchat. So here it is. Locate Snapchat. Then you want to go to permission section. So this way you have to disable it. As you can see, my permissions are allowed for camera, contact and account, microphone and notification. So now that you're in the app permission section, you go to microphone and simply select don't allow. Once you've done that, go back and locate camera as well. This too as well, you have to simply select don't allow and simply head back. Now, you could also go ahead and disable phone as well. But this is not necessary since you've already disabled microphone and camera. Just for the safety purpose, if you want to do it, you could disable phone as well. And this way, you have successfully disabled call on Snapchat. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.